Wow. All right, guys. Welcome to today's awesome class. Welcome to today's awesome class. So today we'll be looking at so many things for today's analysis. We'll be looking at pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, and Bitcoin. The video is coming up this early for those of us that will be trading very early and later today. And we'll be talking about for it will be both for the day traders and the swing traders in the market. So this is our analysis for today. So I will know what we are doing wrong and what we are also doing right. If you are doing it right, you will know what it is. We will know whether we are going to buy the market for Euro USD, GBP USD, USD gold and Bitcoin, or you are going to sell whatever we arrive at today. So what are we going to do? We are doing analysis. We're also trying to tell you, oh, are we going to buy or are you going to sell? So what are the things I look out for before going in for a buy or a sell on a daily basis? Number one, I look at the trend of the market. First of all, this is one of the mistakes most traders make. They go zooming in the chart this way. This is very, very wrong. Zooming in your chart this way is very wrong. So this is very, very wrong. You have to try as much as possible to zoom out your chart at least 3 times this way, or not even 3 times. Let's say like this way or this way. Like it's very better this way than to zoom in your chart. Just to see, if you ask some person, they will be like, I want to see the whole candlesticks. You can never see the whole candlesticks. So let's go. So do well to subscribe if this is your first time joining this channel. Do well to share to your colleagues, your friends, those of them that are looking for signals and reasons for entering the market, either for a buy or a sell. So this is it for Euro USD today before going to GBP USD, gold and Bitcoin. So Euro USD today, are we going to be buying or are we going to be selling? So this is it. So first of all, this is what I look out for, is a trend. Remember, if you're a swing trader, you are a day trader, you're a scalper, or you are any type of trader or position trader, you don't make use of the same time frame for analysis. So if you're a day trader, you only use the D1 time frame and the H4 time frame for analysis, right? So you don't make use of the monthly time frame for analysis, you don't make use of the W1, you only use the D1 or the H4 time frame for analysis. So let's go with the D1 or daily time frame for analysis for those of us that are day traders in the market. So Euro USD today, are you going to be going for a buy or you are going to be going for a sell? So remember, the first thing I said we do check is what? The trend of the market. Is the market bullish or is the market bearish? So this is it right now for those of us that like zooming it in, but don't zoom in too much in order for you to see the overall market structure. This is Euro USD D1. What has it been doing over time? You can see the market has been bearish over time. It has been selling for some days, right? So it has been selling. Look at this. Started this July. So it has been selling up to this particular October. Yes, to October. Yes, right. So to October, so the market has been selling Euro USD. But there is something I'm seeing right now, and that is why I love employing the use of my trend line. So I tried drawing my trend line. Trend line is one of the most conservative trading strategy. If you're a trader, it's very, very conservative. So let's try using trend line to see what is happening in the market. So if I'm using the trend line to draw my to get my diagonal support and resistance. Now this is my first touch, right? This is my second touch here. This is my fourth touch. This is my fifth touch. So trying to make the sixth touch, what happened? The market broke the trend line. Now remember, when a trend line is broken, what happened, or what does it mean? It simply means that the trend, there is possibility for the trend to reverse. Not necessarily that the trend will reverse, but there is possibility for the trend to reverse. So you can see it has been selling, but here the market is out of the trend line. So And is it out of the trend line for a buy or for a sell? It's out of the trend line for a buy. So it's breaking it to the upside. So number one, we've gotten off number one, we are now thinking of what? Buying the market based on trend line. This market has broken our bearish trend line, or a bearish market is now headed for a buy. So number one, based on trend line, we'll be thinking of buying the market, not selling the market. So for today, you think of buying the market. Now, based on chart, what is the chart trying to say? Now, if you watch closely, you will see that the market is trying to form inverse head and shoulder. This head, this is shoulder, shoulder. Inverse head and shoulder. Head, shoulder, shoulder. Head, shoulder, shoulder. So whenever I see a head, inverse head and shoulder is trying to tell you that the possibility for the market to do what? To buy. So we are not seeing reasons to buy the market today. Inverse head and shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder. So this market, from what you are seeing based on chart, is a buy. So this bearish candlestick you are seeing here is just a retracement. When you check it in H4, it's just a retracement trying to happen. So Euro USD based on chart is for a buy. So whatever you are seeing here is just a retracement. If you use your trend lines, you use your H4 time frame, you can as well draw a new trend line for a buy in your H4 time frame. Your H4 time frame for a buy. Now the question is, how do I know when to buy? Since we are now talking about buying, because we can't buy at every price and we can't sell at every price, there must be a price for we to buy. All you got to do, if you are using the trend line, all you have to do after drawing your trend line for today, allow the market to get to your trend lines, or when it comes to your trend lines, definitely the market, there is possibility for you to break it below, just to go and hunt stop losses. Then after that, what happens? You see the market headed to the upside. So as a day trader, after giving you a confirmation, remember your confirmation, your candlestick confirmation here, and you buy. So take your profit before it gets to this place, or take your profit before it gets to this particular resistance zone. Then your stop loss here for day traders. So you have now seen reasons why I say this market is gonna go for a buy. You can see the trend line we drew from the D1 time frame. You can see one touch, 2, 3, 4. But here what happened? It broke it, right? So we are not thinking of what? Buying the market. From what we are seeing here, we are not thinking of only buying the market, but the market must do what? A retracement back to this place and giving us confirmation. Remember, he gave us a chart formation, a chart pattern in our daily time frame, which is the inverse head and shoulder pattern. Inverse head and shoulder pattern. This head, this is shoulder, this is shoulder. So what are you going to be thinking about? Is for a buy. Remember, the retracement must be done. It must get exhausted. The retracement must get exhausted in your D1 or in your H4, then giving you confirmation in your H1. Then you can now go in for what? For your buy in the market. So based on trend line and chart, we are looking for what? For a buy in this same market. Based on chart, trend and trend, we are looking for a buy in the market. Based on chart, trend, Euro USD for today is a buy after the retracement is done. Immediately after the retracement is done, you can now go in for a buy. After this retracement, coming back to this place, giving you a bullish candlestick confirmation, you can now go for a buy. So you can as well draw your trend line on your screen. You can draw your trend line like this on your screen. This is the 4-hour time frame on your screen. So allow the market to finish the retracement for a sell, then you can now go in for a buy. Now some persons will be like, since the market will come to this place, is it not good to sell? No, don't sell. You are taking a higher risk. Don't trade retracement. Only trade in favor of the trend. Only trade in favor of the trend. And when the market gets here, don't immediately buy. Wait for confirmation, except it breaks this trend line. So today, Euro USD is for a buy. Today, Euro USD is for a buy. So let's go checking GBP USD. Let's go checking GBP USD. So this is GBP USD. This is the daily time frame. Now GBP USD and Euro USD, they always correlate. So whenever you see Euro USD buying or whenever you see Euro USD selling, there is possibility for such thing to also be happening in GBP USD. Whenever you see Euro USD buying or you see GBP USD buying, there is possibility for such thing to also be happening in Euro USD. However, you also have to make your analysis. But for today, GBP USD and Euro USD, they are for a buy. The same analysis applicable for Euro USD is also applicable here. If you watch here, this head, this is shoulder, everything here shoulder. So everything, this cell you are seeing here in this candlestick, which is visible in H4 time frame, is just a retracement. So allow it to be exhausted, then giving you a candlestick confirmation for a buy. You can now go in for a buy. You must wait for candlestick confirmation after the retracement is being exhausted before you go in for a buy. So today, Euro USD and GBP USD is for a buy, but you must allow the candlestick to do what? To give you confirmation. Yes, for your Euro USD, remember to draw your trend lines. Remember to draw your trend lines. Remember to draw your trend lines. So by the time there could be a state where the trend line can be broken. The trend line can actually be broken, so that when the trend line is broken, you are no longer thinking of going that particular direction. You can now think of going to the opposite direction, just like what happened in this particular chart here. In this particular chart, you can see it was respecting the trend lines, but what happened there? It broke it. So when it breaks it, you will be able to know. Draw your trend lines, especially for the buy in this Euro USD. Draw your trend lines for the buy in this Euro USD. So when the uptrend is nullified, you'll be able to know. But for now, my bias and our bias, everything is for a buy. But draw your trend lines, so by the time the buy is nullified, you will be able to know. Remember to wait for retracement and confirmation. So we now move to gold. So this is the gold chart. What time frame is this? Let me quickly put my 200 period moving average. 200 period moving average. So this is gold H4. So let's see gold in D1. Now this is gold in D1, but for some time now in H4, if you are using the H4, you will see that the market is seriously buying, and don't think that because the market is trying to consolidate around here that the market will sell. No, because the market right now is high, it's on the high side. So for you to buy gold, if you wish to buy gold, allow this resistance to be broken. So this negotiation here, or this range, if it's still ranging, don't buy, don't sell. But if you want to buy gold, for me personally, I would say gold is for a buy, right? But I can't buy until there is a bullish breakout. So if there is a bullish breakout above, that's when you now think of buying. I'm saying this because gold is seriously in and has been ranging for some time. It's in a resistance zone. Gold is seriously in a resistance zone and has been ranging for some time. So allow the market to break the resistance in your H1 time frame. Allow it to break here above in your H1 time frame before you now think of buying the market. And for now, it has not given us any change of character or change of a trend. There's nothing changing here. It has not given us clue that it is going to change. Because when you check your D1, this D1 gold, Now look at good D1, look at it. You can see D1 here. You can see a good rejection here in this candlestick, showing that there is possibility for the market to do what? To continue to buy. So the bias is for a buy for gold. Bias is still for a buy for gold. It's even trying to buy right now, but first of all, allow it to break above before you buy. That is, break this resistance zone. Doing something like this, that is breaking above, then you can now go for a buy in the market. So let's quickly go check Bitcoin. This Bitcoin chart. Same with Bitcoin. For gold, Bitcoin too is still applicable for Bitcoin. So for me personally, my bias is still for a buy, because when you check Bitcoin in your D1 time frame, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at the way the market has been pushing up, and it has broken this resistance zone. It has broken this resistance zone. You can see it. It has broken the resistance zone. You can see it has broken the resistance zone. Market has broken the resistance zone. You can see market has broken this resistance zone. So, and when a resistance is broken, it becomes what? A support. All you have to do is to wait for what? A retracement. A retracement, which might not actually happen this way. Some persons will wait for a retracement here. That is for Bitcoin to come back to $31,000 before they go for a buy. But the truth is that for a buy this way. But the truth is that with the way the market is trending, you can see how long it is, like a steep market, a strong trending market. The way it's moving, there is possibility for it not to make a deep retracement. All it has to do is just to make a consolidation, and after the consolidation, what do you expect? After the consolidation, what do you expect? That is, you see something like this. You see the market will now be like this. The market will now be like this. That is, it will now break above. So allow it to break above. Whether it's in this range, don't buy or sell. If it's gonna sell, no problem, leave it to sell and finish its retracement. But if it doesn't sell to finish its retracement, allow it to break above, closing above, you can now go in for a buy. So for EURUSD, which is a major pair, GBPUSD, which is also a major pair, for metals like gold, and for crypto like Bitcoin, all of them are on the buy side for today. But remember to wait for confirmation, and also allow their retracement to be exhausted. If they are ranging, don't buy or sell. If they are ranging, allow the retracement to be exhausted, then wait for confirmation before you go in for a buy or sell. Remember, if this is your first time joining this channel, do well to subscribe, share to your friends and colleagues, those of them that are looking for signals to buy. What are the things they tell them to buy or sell? They are looking for who to tell them to buy or sell. Invite them for the channel, because the daily analysis is every day. The daily analysis is every day. So just like today, right now, EURUSD, GBPUSD, gold and Bitcoin for a buy. So tomorrow might be different. The next day might be different. So invite or share to your friends. Share to your friends for them to be part. Remember to like, comment on the channel. So thank you very, very much. Right.